Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel. This is my son Landon, and he is 5 years old, and we thought it would be a fun idea for him to sit down and do my makeup. So we are going to do the My Son Does My Makeup challenge. So yeah, my son Landon here is going to attempt to do my makeup, so let's see how this works. Alright.
So can we do, oh yeah, do this first.
Okay.
Because I got the brush.
This is an e.l.f. palette.
Uh-huh.
And he's got the brush, so he's gonna do my eyeballs first, I guess.
Okay. Do you want green or silver?
You tell me. You're
Okay.
doing my makeup.
Now time for this.
Don't forget to do the other eye. Oh, okay. I see what we're doing here.
We're done with this one.
Okay, now what?
Now time for that one.
Okay.
This brush. Which brush do we do with this one?
I don't know, you tell me. This is Landon's makeup challenge. Landon's gonna do my makeup. So what Landon thinks is right is what is gonna work.
I'll open this. So we need for the top is one that has this small, like that small.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do this one first. Is this for your cheeks?
Yep, that's for my cheeks.
Now we need our blush. Purple. Mix it up. What?
This is like a little paddle. I never even knew that was in there.
This.
Yeah, we don't have to use it if you don't want to.
I want to use it.
You're gonna use it? I didn't even know it was in there.
Now, where do we put this?
I don't know, you tell me.
So it goes on your forehead because this is big.
Okay.
Put it back where it is so you don't lose it.
I think you just have to... It's okay. You just flip it over.
So where do I put this?
This thing goes down here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Oh, and the highlighter he was using was the NYX Strobe of Genius highlighter. Yes.
So I'm gonna do this one. It looks like it's good. Because you never used this one.
No.
Well, I got some on the table.
That's okay. We'll just clean it off.
Wait. Were we supposed to do that?
I don't know. You tell me. It's whatever you want to do.
So where do we put this?
I don't know. You tell me. On the lips too.
Oh yeah, we need lip polish.
Lip polish?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I forgot what it calls.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yeah. These colors, or do you want reds or?
Okay. I'll choose.
Oh, my nose is itchy.
Did I do this one?
You need that
I'll do it.
one? Okay. I'm gonna put these in the back.
And then tomorrow we can do these ones, and then the next day we can do these ones.
Oh, okay. So is that what we're gonna do? You're gonna do my makeup 3 days this week? What is going on?
Put this right there, and then I will do it for you.
Okay.
Cause I put that in mine last time when I was a little girl.
Oh, when you're a little girl?
It's red.
Mm-hmm.
It makes your lips go a lot red.
Mm.
Like they're bleeding.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you're gonna do?
So, this.
Oh dear. It's mascara.
It's for your those.
Lashes? Okay. This is scary, but okay.
I can't do it.
It's okay.
Do this one. So we're not gonna do that one yet.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to do this one? Do we put cap on the bottom?
Sure. What are you gonna do with that one?
Where do we put?
I usually put it on my waterline, but I don't know. Okay, that works. Okay.
Now we're done.
Okay. Wow. Okay, what's next?
So what is this for?
That's concealer.
Goes right there.
Yeah. Or you can put wherever you think it needs to go. Okay then.
Now,
Okay.
plusher.
The plusher.
I forgot what it calls now.
It's called a beauty sponge, but we can go with the plusher.
Do we scrub it like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Plusher.
Okay. We should probably put this cap back on there, huh?
Here. So
Oh,
how
now
do
we're
we
gonna do
put
the foundation.
So how do we do this?
This one I'm gonna just pour a little bit out. This is some foundation.
Oh, you put it on your hand because it doesn't come with the same.
It doesn't come with a
cap.
foam. Yeah.
So you just do this.
Yeah, that's usually what I do. And then, how are you gonna apply it?
Everywhere.
Oh, that's how I'm supposed to apply it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So do we need the sponge?
Yeah.
That now this.
There we go.
Let's go.
Where do you think it goes?
This is a mess.
Okay, that's fine. All right, there's that. You think you're done? Oh, that's primer. It's the primer.
So where do we put this?
We don't do a lot. We just do a little bit. Well, you can put it on your hand and then you put it on the face.
This is probably
Is it not
empty.
coming out?
Yeah, it's empty.
I don't think it's empty. You want me to give you a little?
Okay.
That's all you need.
So where do we put it?
Oh,
Everywhere?
yeah. Thank you.
I need a brush.
Do you need help? I think you could just pull it off.
Oh,
Yeah.
so. Your eyes are black.
Yes, that they are. So,
You look like Becca.
I look like Becca?
Uh-huh.
Auntie Becca?
Uh-huh.
This thing?
Uh-huh.
Oh, he was looking for the brow wiz stuff. Which stuff?
brows.
The stuff for my eyebrows. That goes on my eyebrows.
I
I don't really do my eyebrows. Guess we're doing them today. Okay, thank you.
They didn't do your eyebrows in
No.
the video, so we're just gonna do your eyebrows.
Okay.
But time for that, and that's the one more thing.
Oh, the hula bronzer?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
That's the one.
That's the one?
This is the one that I was
Oh.
looking for. You open it like that, and it comes with some ear.
It comes with the mirror? Yeah, it does.
But this is for that.
Now what do we do? Okay.
They go on your cheeks.
It goes on the cheeks.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Cause this lines on your cheeks.
Mm-hmm. All
'Cause
right.
it's like those ones. And that's all.
That's all?
Bye.
Bye. All right, thank you for stopping by. This is, well, hold on. Maybe I should check out his
I'm
work.
Landon.
Yes, this is Landon. All right, I'm gonna check this out. Oh my God. Landon, what did you do to me?
I made you funny.
You sure did make me funny. Oh. All right, this is the final makeup look that my Mr. Landman did for me. So, if you want to see some more fun and goofy crazy videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
We're about to get the hoverboard.
Oh, he wants to get a hoverboard, so, hey, if you got a hoverboard, hit him up. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at that sexy look. Oh my God.